Singapore is a paradise for food lovers, offering a diverse range of culinary delights influenced by its multicultural heritage. Here are some famous foods in Singapore that every food lover should explore. Hainanese chicken rice. Often considered Singapore's national dish, Hainanese chicken rice features tender poached chicken served with fragrant rice cooked in chicken stock, accompanied by chili sauce and ginger paste. Chili crab. A must-try seafood dish, chili crab features fresh crab cooked in a thick, sweet, and spicy tomato-based sauce. It's best enjoyed with mantou, fried buns, to soak up the delicious sauce. Hokkien mee. This popular dish consists of stir-fried egg noodles and rice noodles in a rich prawn and pork stock, often topped with prawns, squid, and a dollop of sambal chili. Bak kut teh. This hearty pork rib soup is simmered in a rich, peppery broth infused with garlic and herbs. It's often served with rice and accompanied by sides like braised tofu and preserved vegetables. Popiah. Popiah is a fresh spring roll filled with a mixture of finely grated turnip, carrots, bean sprouts, and lettuce, often with shrimp or pork, and wrapped in a thin, crepe-like skin. Chendol. A refreshing dessert made with shaved ice, pandan-flavored jelly noodles, coconut milk, and gula melaka, palm sugar syrup. Durian pengat. A rich and creamy durian dessert made by blending durian flesh with coconut milk and gula melaka, offering a sweet and pungent treat for durian lovers. Singaporean cuisine is a vibrant tapestry woven from a rich cultural heritage, reflecting the city's diverse ethnic influences, including Chinese, Malay, Indian, and Peranakan traditions. This culinary melting pot results in an array of mouth-watering dishes, from the fragrant Hainanese chicken rice and spicy laksa to savory satay and rich chili crab. Hawker centers are the heart of Singapore's food scene, where you can savor authentic flavors and street food delights. The city's culinary landscape is dynamic, blending traditional recipes with modern twists, making it a paradise for food lovers seeking both classic and innovative dining experiences. These dishes represent the rich culinary heritage of Singapore and offer a delicious introduction to the city's vibrant food scene. Enjoy exploring these mouth-watering flavors during your visit to Singapore, and immerse yourself in the diverse and dynamic culinary experiences the city has to offer.